Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Riley from Inside Out 2. So let's get started. To draw cute Riley, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come right across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. From there, now that I have my circles in, I'm going to come in here and draw two small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now I have my eyes in, let's spruce them up, and we're going to come to the sides right here and just draw maybe 2 lashes. 1 and 2. Maybe the second one's a little bit longer. Then from there we're going to draw her brow, so come up right above her eye and just draw a soft curve right over. And same thing here. So come right across and soft curve. Oops. There. Then we're going to give her a big smile. So in between her eyes, about right here, you go ahead and draw a big curve and bring it up and cap it off. From there, let's go ahead and frame her face. I'm going to come to the top of her eye, come out close to these lashes, and give myself a point. So same thing here. Oops, right where that lash is. And we're going to basically draw the bottom of a U. So we're going to come down around the eye. And just kind of imagine how low I want it. So I'm going to find my center and say about right here. Give myself a point. And I'm going to go ahead and just draw a nice soft curve all the way to my point. And same thing here. There. Okay, so now that we have her face in, let's go ahead and I'm just going to bring this up a tiny bit more to her brow. And then her hair parts on the side, so right above this eye. So let's say about right here. I'll just start and give myself a point. And I'm going to draw some bangs. So I'm going to go curve, bring it in, maybe another one a little bit longer. And go up again, and then come down and over this brow. I'm just going to zigzag a little bit and bring it out. There. And then on this side, I'm just going to draw a curve and bring it down. There. And then let's continue with her hair part. So we're going to come curve it up, and then about right there, I'm going to split it, bring this up, and then come down for this side for her hair, and then this side is going to go up. And so about right there. But before I do that, let's finish her bang. So about right here, I'm just going to bring this up and around and taper it. There. And then we're going to add a curve right here. And let's go ahead and we're going to finish this. I'm going to bring it around, close to her bangs, and down. There. Okay, so then from there I'm going to let's bring this up a little bit. Let's go ahead and finish the rest of her body before we finish her hair. So let's come back to the center, and right about here I'm going to draw a curve. So she has this jacket that she's wearing, has a collar, high collar. So I'm going to come right here with 2 curves, and I'm going to bring it down to a nice sharp V right there. And then right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw in another curve for the collar. And then just like as if you had a neck, you would come down about right here for her shoulders and down. So same thing here and down for her shoulders. Then for some details, let's come in here and say about right here, I'm going to cut it off, her shirt that's inside. And then I'm going to come about right here where her shoulder starts to go down. And we're just going to draw an angle line coming down just to make it a little bit simpler. Let's bring this angle line down for her jacket. To about right there. I'm going to go ahead and curve it in. And just do a slight wobble and connect. Then we're going to come right here and draw a little zipper. The pulling part of the zipper, and then we're going to continue straight downward line. And then let's come back right here on the jacket. There's this part, the cuff, and go across right there. And then we're going to come back to the center, say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a slight angle line. This is where her legs are going to start. And so here, her pants will start about here. But before we do that, I think she has like a part of her shirt kind of hanging out. So I'm just going to put that in right there, a little detail. And then we're going to come back to the center. And we're going to draw 2 lines. And then we're going to continue this for her pants. There. Okay, so let's work on this side. I'm going to bring it down. So just a regular pair of brown. So I'm going to bring it all the way down to say about right there. Maybe a little bit wider towards the bottom. And then about right here, I'm going to cut it off with a curve. So same thing here. And cut it off. There. Okay, and then for her shoes, we're just going to come right here and draw angle line out. And connect. And then for some details, curve, another curve right here, and then 2 lines. So same thing here. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw her arms. So I'm just going to have them to her side, and let's bring them down. So she has these sleeves, and then about right here, we want her hands around this area. So I'm going to bring this in. Let's just use this part of her jacket and curve it in. Then a little cuff, and then the fingers. So a thumb and fingers and up. So same thing here. So we're just going to use this part. Just want to make sure I'm about the same area. And once again, we're going to come down. Curve it in. Little cuff. And fingers. So thumb, curl, and up. There. And for some details, just lightly, right here, we're just going to draw some lines to give some texture. and then some details. So let's come right underneath that zipper part right here, and we're going to come draw a cross line across, and we're going to curve it down for pockets on her jacket. And oh, and let's see here. And if you like to put a backpack on her, just come right here, and we're gonna, let's see here. If you want to do that, let's come here, right in this area, and I'm gonna pop this part out for her backpack strap, and bring it in. So same thing here. Feel like she needs something, right? So pop this up and bring it in there for her backpack strap. And then let's finish her cute hairstyle. So we're gonna come right here and just give it maybe one strand and then in. So same thing here, curve in and in. Bring this in a little bit more, and let's see if I'm missing anything. That is pretty much it. So I'm gonna just put a heart right here. There, to make her my Draw So Cute Riley from Inside Out 2. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.